AskWonder review and how to earn from AskWonder. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to review AskWonder and show you how to earn from it. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly go to AskWonder.com. And if you haven't signed up for AskWonder yet, you can check the video description below for a special discount link. But before that, if you don't know AskWonder, it is a company that offers personal research services to business professionals and entrepreneurs, in which it provides a platform for individuals to work as research assistants, answering questions on various topics such as product recommendations, economics, technology, and business, in which this platform aims to help people save time by delivering detailed answers to their inquiries. And aside from that, AskWonder provides an opportunity for individuals to earn money by becoming research analysts and participating in research projects. And this company combines the speed and horsepower of AI with accuracy, rigor, and expertise of humans to provide professional answers to business questions. And it also provides custom deliveries, executive summary, hyperlink sources, research strategy, and charts. So basically, AskWonder is a platform that offers research services to individuals and businesses. And below here, it will show you some of the things that you can do on this platform, starting from exploring a topic, including market research, industry trends, consumer trends, opportunity spaces, and many more. And using this platform, it also analyzes a situation, validate an idea, and create a data set. And aside from that, on this platform, if you have other concerns or questions, you can simply direct on this frequently asked question, in which it will show you a variety of questions, and by clicking each question, it will show you the corresponding answer. Such as this question, what sources do you use? And it says here that all of their insights come from reputable secondary sources in the public domain, such as scientific journals, industry-relevant reports, company annual reports, and many more. And below here, you could also see some of the answer to the question, including who is conducting my research. And it says here that when you submit your project, they automatically route your request to the best fit analyst based on your topic. So basically, on this platform, you can earn money by submitting your project request or research. And after that, they will analyze your project if it is acceptable and if all of the results of information are relevant and reliable. So that is basically one way of how you can earn money using this AskWonder. And if you want to see some other cases or project created by other users, kindly proceed by clicking this button, See Use Cases. Then you will be directed on this page. And from here, it will show you the list of the research project that has been published and submitted on this platform. And as you can see, it contains different kind of industry, file type of project, and even the title of it. So those are basically an example of some of the research projects that you could also submit on this platform. And now, if you want to become a researcher on this AskWonder, all you need to do is to go to this website, or you can simply click the link on the description below. Then from here, it will show you that you can join to their community of AskWonder. But currently, they are no longer accepting new applications at this time, so you can check back again later. And it says here that you can earn money using your brain, work when you want, and learn expand your resume and your mind. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, it will show you some of the popular research requests that you can do if you become a researcher, including to recommend a product or service, competitive landscaping, explain a trend or phenomenon, gather statistics, or determine the size of a market. And also below here, it will show you how it works. So the first step is you visit the research dashboard when you're ready to start working. And after that, they will assign you a request to work on. And all you need to do is to find answer, sources, and synthesize your findings. And after submitting your work, you will earn money from it. So that is basically how you can start earning money using AskWonder, which is to become a researcher. And if you want to become a researcher, here are the qualification or requirement in joining to become a researcher. And as you can see, they are looking an experienced web researcher who enjoys the entire research process and also desirable previous experience, including to have a strong English language, math, and Boolean search skills. And as you can see below here, researchers can earn $15 to $18 per hour on average. So this rate is pretty decent in becoming a researcher. So you can click this Start Application button if you want to proceed. And they will redirect you into typeform.com, and all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information. So that is just how you can earn money, which is to become a researcher on this AskWonder. And the other way of how you can earn money using this platform is by doing outsourcing, such as with the help of this platform Fiverr and other freelancer application or platform, in which to earn money using AskWonder on Fiverr, you can offer your research services as a freelance research assistant. Likewise, any of this freelancer that also offer the services of research. For instance, this freelancer right here that says she will conduct a historical research and summary. And from here, you could even set your rating for each research that you do. And that is with the help of AskWonder, since it offers personal research services to business professionals and entrepreneurs. So from here, you can leverage your research skills to offer services on Fiverr, since it is also a popular platform for freelancers and attract clients who are in need of research assistance. And to show you the model of how it works, this is what it looks like of drop servicing or outsourcing business model. So the client here that you will get is from Fiverr, since by creating a gig on Fiverr that highlights your expertise in research and offering to provide detailed answers to questions on various topics, you can attract clients and earn money for each research assignment. While this your store represent your AskWonder account, since you're going to offer to your clients your research expertise. While on the other hand, the supplier here will serve as the users of AskWonder that will offer or will do the research for our client. So we just basically post on Fiverr about our research expertise, but you're actually not the one that will do the research, since AskWonder also assign some of the users to do a specific research, and in return, they will get a commission from it. However, it is important also to note that not everything should be outsourced on Fiverr, and some tasks are more suitable for outsourcing than others. And additionally, when outsourcing on Fiverr, it is crucial to maintain open communication with your client to ensure that the work meets the quality and standards which align the business goals of the client. But overall, outsourcing on Fiverr using AskWonder can be a beneficial strategy for businesses looking to streamline their operations and access specialized skills and resources as a researcher. So that is the second way on how you can earn money using AskWonder, which is by doing drop servicing or outsourcing. So that is just a review of AskWonder and how you can earn money from it. Thank you.